In this presentation, I'll be going over a list that shares my top free website traffic sources for affiliate marketing, 17 to be exact. By the end of this, you will know what the sources are to get free traffic. Well, let's begin. Now, disclaimer. The results vary. Use this as informational purposes only. The results are up to you. I am not guaranteeing your results. I am, however, sharing what works. You have to do the work. Each of these require you to spend time to create content that will allow the visitor to consume. Then, send them to your desired destination link for a CTA, also known as a call to action. Now, I want to briefly say that I'm going to go ahead and click on each one and give you an example of what the site looks like that I'm referring to. All right, here we go. So your first one is a personal site or a blog, similar to like mine right here. In mine, as you see, I have an email list, opt-in. I have the front end of my site, and this is where I direct all of my traffic. My goal is to have somebody come here, check out this right here, which will give them detailed steps of a proven system that works and has generated over $100,000 a year for beginners and most affiliate marketers out there. The higher up people that have had success, I share those exact steps that they have shared with me. Reddit. Alright, this is Reddit. And you'll see that I don't have much activity on this. Now Reddit is a good site if you like typing and reading. Weebly is an online website builder. Teachable that's an online course. Udemy, also an online course. Medium, again similar to Reddit, it's a site that you would type and write on. Google search, everyone pretty much knows this one. Yahoo search, some people know about this one. Dogpile, that one's not as common, but is a great one that does several different search engines all at once. Snapchat, it's a social media site for youngsters. Instagram, as you see, I have some followers, but not really active in it. TikTok, this one I just started recently. Tumblr. Pinterest. Twitter. Facebook. This is my new Facebook group. And of course, my favorite, YouTube. Now, it's important that you understand with these 17 free website traffic sources, you still have to put in the work. You have to make the content, if it's a video site, if it's a text site, if it's an audio site. You have to spend your time, you have to do research, you have to record if you're going to do videos. It's my recommendation that you use these 17 free sources rather than paid advertisement, because as long as you consistently build content, you will generate traffic, leads, sales, and your business will grow. If you do paid advertisement, it's for a temporary sale boost, and it won't last because you have to keep feeding the machine, so to speak, in order to get the sales. Well, I hope this was helpful to you. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm curious, what made you click this thumbnail and watch this video? Was it the thumbnail? Was it the description? Was it curiosity? Please leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you. Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.